Adobe has taken yet another step forward in building the experience design platform of the future, and now it's available to you for free. With Adobe XD, you can design, prototype, and share user experiences. Keep in mind, XD is part of the Creative Cloud, so it's tightly integrated with tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and the Creative Cloud library. And now with the free starter plan, all you need to do is download Adobe XD from xd.adobe.com or from the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you currently have an XD single app plan or a Creative Cloud all apps plan, then you already have XD with unlimited sharing. Learn more about the different plan options at xd.adobe.com. Get XD for free now and join the growing community of designers who are using XD to deliver engaging user experiences.